Introduction to computers. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that operates under the control of a set of instructions that is stored in its memory unit. A computer accepts data from an input device and processes it into useful information which it displays on its output device. How computer works: input, process, store and output. Basic functions of a computer: input, data and instruction fed into the computer. Process, converting data or the comparisons and calculations made on data. Output, result from the process. Storage, store the results for later retrieval. Terminology: data. Data is raw facts and figures. It can be text, numbers, pictures or symbols. Data is often meaningless or in disorganized form. Example: consider the number 19,800,706. What do you think it is? Employee number? A password or secret code? ID? Registration number? Information? Information is processed data which has a meaning. Process? The collection and manipulation of items of data to produce meaningful information. Instruction? An instruction is a segment of code that contains steps that need to be executed by the computer processor. For example, if you were to ask the computer to draw a square, it would need a set of instruction in order to complete the task. Program, a set of instructions that a computer system uses to process data. Peripheral devices, a computer device, such as a CD-ROM drive or printer, that is not part of the essential computer, the memory and microprocessor. Peripheral devices can be external, such as a mouse, keyboard, printer, monitor or scanner, or internal, such as a CD-ROM drive, CDR drive or internal modem. Internal peripheral devices are often referred to as integrated peripherals.